So we're here to finish up simplifying radicals. Remember, radicals is a fancy math word for square root. Now, in the previous video, we didn't get to talk about variables, like what happens when you see some letters underneath the house, right? So let's talk about it. Here we go. Okay. So now notice there aren't numbers under the house anymore. Now they are letters. So we're going to repeat that process that we did before. So we're going to break these down as far as we can possibly break them down into. Now, isn't x to the 6th power? Can't I write that as a string of x's being multiplied, right? X to the 6th power is 6 x's being multiplied in a row, like this, right? And likewise, that y to the 5th power is a string of y's. Guess how many of them? 5. Whew, looks like a lot, right? Not really. Now, first thing, remember, all of these things are being multiplied. Remember, exponents is repeat multiplication. So x to the 6th power is x times itself 6 times. Y to the 5th power is y times itself 5 times. Now we're going to do the same thing we did before in looking for pairs. You see any pairs of x's? I see a few of them actually. 1, 2, and 3. So remember what we do with these pairs. We're going to pull these pairs outside as individual x's. Now, I got 3 sets to pull out. So let's take all 3 of those sets out. Just like that, I'm going to do the same thing for pairs of y's. How many pairs of y's do you see? 1, 2, and whoa, wait a minute. That last y is not a part of a pair. So I'm actually only going to bring out 2 sets of y. Here we go. There they are. Now, all of these things out front, we're going to smash them all together through multiplication. So we're going to combine all of these things together now. In math, when you have multiple variables, remember we're going to go in alphabetical order. So we're going to write the x's first and then the y's. So it should look something like this. Now, notice, if we take out everything that we have circled as a pair, there is something that's left under the house. You see that y down there all by itself left under the house? Doesn't have a pair to match with, so y stays. And guys, guess what? That's your answer. Yep, exactly right. Ready to try again? Let's try another one real quick, see if we can sink this in. Yeah, now we're talking. Now we're talking. We'll kick it up a notch now we're talking. So I got a lot of stuff going on in here, right? So we have numbers inside, we got numbers outside, we got letters inside, we got letters outside. So you remember what we do first? Exactly right. Let's focus on the inside and let's start breaking that stuff down. Now remember, we've done numbers before. I'm gonna go ahead and break that number down all the way right now. Exactly right. 8 breaks down into 4, 4 breaks down into 2 times 2. So let's multiply back and see if it works. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Perfect. That 8 is broken down. I can't break that down any further. What about them x's though? Can I break them down also? Bang. Now, don't forget about this stuff that's out front already. Exactly. Because anything that we circle and bring out, we're going to have to multiply it by anything that's out there already. Ready? Let's find some pairs. See any pairs? I see a pair of 2's. I brought it out as 1, 2. And guess what I'm going to do with the 2 that I brought out and the 2 that was already out there? I'm going to multiply them. Any more pairs with numbers? No, I think we're good. What about letters? Any pairs of letters? Yup, 2 of them. I'm going to bring both of them out. All right, now it's time to take inventory. Let's talk about everything that we got outside. Let's multiply it all together. So 2 times 2 is bang. X times x is bang. And that takes care of everything that we have outside of that house. Now, let's take inventory of what we got inside that house. What we got inside left unpaired? A 2 and an x. When I multiply that 2 and that x together, guess what that is? Bang. Exactly right. 2x. Now, quick shortcut for the letters. X to the 5th power means I have 5 x's. How many pairs are in 5? I'll wait. 2. You got that exactly right. And how many would be left over? 1. So Out of that those 5x's, I brought 2 out because there are 2 pairs, and there's 1 remaining left over. Good job. Think about that shortcut when you try to practice problems. Here they go.